Driscoll Children's Hospital, Rio Grande Valley is unique because we're the first designated children's hospital for the Rio Grande Valley, a 4-county region, and we've already made a tremendous impact on our community, and we're just scratching the surface. We're just getting started. So, in the first year of operation, we saw over 20,000 kids in our emergency department. We did over 5,000 surgeries, over 1,000 NICU admissions.
So the Driscoll Health System has been helping kids in South Texas for over 70 years. And 1 year ago, we opened the doors to the one and only children's hospital in the Rio Grande Valley. This residency program has been a dream come true for those of us who have been practicing here in the Rio Grande Valley.
My passion is to teach residents, and interacting with residents have made my career fulfilling and more fun because I get to interact with this fine breed of doctors.
All of the medical providers here are warm and friendly. The nurses are fantastic and always willing to help. I think this is a very nurturing place to practice, to study, to learn.
We are very proactive. We uphold high standards, and we want to produce very good pediatricians. We would like to share all our knowledge and specialty, be it didactic, hands-on, and we also won't forget the life and work balance.
We have a very diverse healthcare workforce, and so we do have a workforce that's from all over the world.
We are currently having UTRGV medical students completing their third-year clerkships, pediatric clerkships here, and so that we are building the foundation to have a robust learning environment that includes medical students, residents, faculty.
So after the residents graduate from the Driscoll RGV residency program, they are offered an incentive to stay here locally to serve the pediatric patients here in the Rio Grande Valley.
We are also there to provide not only mentorship but guidance, and because we want them to succeed in their field, the chosen career.
I think Driscoll RGV is one of the friendliest places I've ever stepped foot into in this profession. I remember when I was training being really nervous everywhere that I went, how people were going to respond to me as a learner, and I feel like this hospital is very unique in its culture. Driscoll as a whole, I think, has a very family-oriented, very nurturing culture.
Most of the doctors that come here, they stay here, and because we have the need, it's a place where you can, the residents can become new attendees. They can be part of this community that really need them.
The Rio Grande Valley is a growing, booming place, and it's a great place to live. It's a great place to raise a family. It's a very, very safe place. The cost of living is almost unbeatable. We've got a lot of outdoor activities. We've got Texas's nicest beaches, less than an hour away. A lot of outdoor parks here in the Upper Valley.
I think the Valley is a unique place, and Driscoll RGV is going to be a unique place because there's nobody above you trying to take those opportunities as well.
We have an incredibly dedicated medical staff that are some of the most talented pediatric subspecialists in the world, and they have dedicated their career to caring for an underserved population here in the Rio Grande Valley. This is going to be a great place to learn and to develop as a pediatrician.